Welcome to my iPad tutorials. In a couple of previous tutorials, I've been walking you through the App Store and just giving you an orientation to the different areas there. So let's go ahead and go back into the App Store, and this time I'm going to talk to you about Genius a little bit. I'm not sure that many people use this feature, so hopefully after you see it, you might use it a little bit more. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the App Store to open that up. And I was in the middle of doing a search, so it looked kind of funky there for a second, but here it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom of our screen to the third item called Genius. And I'm going to tap on that to show you what this looks like. The thing I like about Genius is it's paying attention to what you're doing. So what you're seeing on the screen are apps recommended specifically for you based on what you have installed on your iPad. So for example, you can see in the upper left-hand corner that this app that they're recommending is based on Side-by-Side. It's called Nautilus Pro, an advanced web browser. It's $5.99, so I would have to really look at that and look at some reviews to see if it would be something I would want. But as you go through this, you can see, so I'm just going to scroll down a little bit and just show you a couple more things here. So here's one called Remote HD, and this is based on an app that I used called Romote Pro. It's a remote control for your computer. And what it basically does is turns your iPad into a big trackpad so that you can be mobile around your classroom and control your computer too. So there are going to be all kinds of, whoops, don't look at that Solitaire Classic on there. Don't know what that's doing. But there are all kinds of apps that the App Store will recommend based on what you have installed on your iPad. I think it's a great place to go and look at and see what related apps there are to the ones that you already have. One note that I would make is in the upper left-hand corner there is the categories section, so you can tap on that and narrow your field a little bit, not too much, but so for example, if I wanted to go to productivity and see what tools kind of match, what apps match what I currently have on my iPad, then you can see that there are several apps recommended. Not a lot, but a few apps recommended to me based on the apps I already have installed. So really nice feature if you know how to use it. I think it's a great way to get more apps on your iPad that you probably will value.